Fraud and forgery in paleoanthropology. We're about to finish. Dr. Jerry Bergman, and he's going to be here this fall to lecture on the benefits of bacteria. Dr. Bergman writes for AIG, a review of the history of paleoanthropology. That means ancient evidence for the existence of man. Anthropology is man, paleo is ancient or distant. Paleoanthropology leads to the conclusion that the discipline is far less objective than for physics, chemistry, or even biology. The field is rife, Dr. Bergman has a right to say this, is rife with controversy and fraud, including outright faking. Classic examples include Piltdown and Hesperopithecus. Well, he listed the two hoax twins that I talked about today, but many other less well-known examples exist. Extensive historical research has documented the fact that the so-called objective field of human evolution is highly subjective, and bias, fraud, and even forgery are all common. Judson 2004, and Judson is a secular scholar, not a creationist by any means. The best known examples include Piltdown Man, for which has been proven to be a composite of human skull and an ape jaw, Bergman 2003, and Hesperopithecus Man, who turned out to be a pig's tooth, Bergman. The scientists involved in these controversies are often not minor league players. The effects of their fraud, Dr. Bergman writes, can be far-reaching and many affect entire disciplines. Even well-known modern paleoanthropology leaders, including the Leakey family, Lewis, Mary, and Richard, have been involved in much controversy, including accusations of misinterpretation, sloppy work, and poor documentation. And this is written by a scholar. And now we can see that much of that documentation was very poor. Paleoanthropology is especially a contentious field for reasons including the strong human interest in our origins, and because conclusions of emotional significance must be drawn from extremely paltry evidence, just a smidgen of evidence, it is often difficult to separate the personal from the scientific in disputes ranging within the field. Holden is cited here, and he is a secular scholar. Researcher Fix noted that one critical reason for the conflicts is that human fossil record is still so sparse that those who insist on positive declarations can do nothing more than jump from one hazardous surmise to another, and this is written by one of their own evolutionary colleagues, from one hazardous surmise to another, and hope that the next dramatic discovery does not make them utter fools. Clearly, some people refuse to learn from this. As we've seen, there are numerous scientists and popularizers today who have the temerity to tell that there is no doubt how man originated. If only they had the evidence. And that's written by an evolutionist who's critical.